Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this portable jump starter with a power bank, the model UMAP 12000 B2 from Ultimate Speed. Lithium iron phosphate technology, 3 years warranty, Li-ion technology, 2-in-1 jump starter for cars as well as a powerful power bank, reverse polarity, short circuit and overload protection, spark proof, and you can see how it looks. Let's see some other specs. Increased efficiency up to 90% usable battery capacity, particularly long lifespan with a high cycle stability, very low self-discharge, direct start with a high current boost, approximately 500 amps, 12 volt, no lengthy recharging. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside, and we're gonna find out all about this product and how we can use it. Integrated LED torch suitable for temperature as low as -21 Celsius. Oh, and it comes in a lovely bag. And of course, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Everything in a nice and lovely case. Accessories, we've got the power adapter. It is output 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 watt is the power consumption. You can connect this cable. And from type A, you can get a mini USB connector, micro USB connector, and a USB type C connector. Nice, I like USB type C. Nice cable, it is about 20 centimeter, and definitely you can charge your smartphone, any smart device that it can get these connections. Nice. And of course we've got the 12 volt 8 amp cigarette lighter adapter. That means you can connect this at this output slot 12 volt 8 amp and charge any device with a lighter adapter. Nice, I like that, thumbs up. It is a portable, you can take it with you anywhere and definitely you can do your job. Have it with you at your car. Let's say you are camping and you want to charge something that it has a lighter adapter. You can take this with you, it is a portable, and charge it. And the same with the smart devices, with this cable. Or you can use your own cable from your smartphone, from your smart device. And of course we've got this jump lead. We've got the factory reset button, if that needs to factory reset this unit. We've got the start and the error LED here, smart booster cable, okay. The clamps, positive and negative for the battery pole. And at the unit, 12,000 mAh, we've got 3.2 volt, 7,000 mAh, 5 volt, and 3,000 mAh, 12 volt. And here you can connect this. And you can see we've got the green and red LEDs. After connecting this to your battery, they will start to smart detect your battery and jump start your battery. Nice, seal it very well. Engine start says here. Now at the front, on-off button, and at all time we can see the battery capacity at this unit. We've got two USB output 5 volt. The first it gives 1 amp and the second 2 amp. Input 5 volt 1 amp micro USB port for charge this unit, and of course the output 12 volt 8 amps. And the flashlight, press and it will turn on the flashlight. Nice and convenient because you are working outside at the night and you need to have a flashlight. Press once and you've got the fast flashing. And SOS mode. Press again and off. Press and hold. On. Flashing fast. SOS mode and off. Nice, I like it. It feels very premium. The size It is very good for me. Definitely it can fit anywhere at your car, and in the right moment you can use it and jumpstart your car, use it for your smartphone, for your smart devices, give power at the right time. And charging, micro USB port, and we can see we've got the 3 LED solid on, and the fourth is flashing. It is near 100% charged. It comes with a charged battery. Or you can charge your smartphone, type C, choose the 2 amp. Of course, that is not a fast charging. Press the button, and as you can see, it starts charging. Nice. Or at any other smart device. You can plug the lighter adapter, connect whatever you want. You can see it gives power. It says 13.4 volt. Okay, nice. Or other device. You can see, oh, there it is, 13.5 volt. Or you can connect a portable vacuum cleaner. Connect here. There's a vacuum. Nice. And it's working with this lighter adapter. Well, nice of that. I think it's time to test it, because the most important thing is to test the jump starter. Let's test it to my car. I have a near empty battery and see if it can jump start my car. Now I'm going to try and start my engine, but it will not start because my battery it is low. Nope, nothing. And now is coming the savior to jump start my car. And before you use this jump starter for the first time, just charge it 100%. And as we can see, it's flashing red and green. Connect the negative to the negative pole and the positive to the positive. It is the red. Checking now, and we can see it is solid green. No more is flashing. And let's start the car. And remove again. Well guys, that was all about easy process to jumpstart your car. At the right moment, just have it to your car, and when it's necessary, use it and jumpstart your car. Winter is coming and the batteries are not so friendly with the winter weather. Or your battery it is in the end of his life and unexpectedly it doesn't start your car engine. Then you've got your jump starter, connect it, boost your battery and start your engine, and just go to the nearest store and change your battery. And as I showed you, of course, you can use it other ways when you are camping, charging your smart devices, plug any other device with a lighter adapter and do your job. And it costs about 60 euros. I think it is a very good price for the things that it can do. For me, thumbs up, definitely, it's doing a great job. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.